Hey guys, it's Michael. I have an unboxing today. It's a short, small unboxing, and I hope you guys like it. This was an early Father's Day gift from my wife. Been wanting one of these for a while, and I guess she saw that I had liked a video of this on my channel, and she put two and two together and she bought this for me. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So take that off, put that to the side, and then sorry guys, take this on. Thank you. So voila, here we go. Let's see if let's zoom in on that. It's a Swiss Army knife. She got it from the Swiss Army website. Let's take this out. Wow. So it's a small Swiss Army knife. It's a keychain knife. But I'll tell you why I like this. Let's take this out. And put it in close. You guys can see that. Alright. I think it comes with something else too. This is the toothpick that comes with it. As you can replace the tweezers. If you don't want the tweezers there, you can put the toothpick there. Let's put this aside. So, like most Swiss Army knives, it has a tweezer, like I just showed you. It also has a bottle opener right there. It has a wire stripper, and it has, it seems to me like a screwdriver head. It's pretty good. And then it has your regular trusty box opener knife, you know, take off tape, whatever. And it has a flathead screwdriver, and it has a nail filer or a file. And then over here on this side has your scissors, which definitely work in a pinch. But the best part of this Army knife, Swiss Army knife, is by far, let me close everything else, you can see what I'm talking about, this little button right there. See that right there? See if you can zoom in on that. See that? Now let's push this button. Whoa, you see that? You guys know what that is? That's a pen. This is called the Manager. Swiss Army knife Manager. There's also a Night Manager. So instead of a pen, you get an LED flashlight. But I said, let me get the pen one, the regular Manager one, in Red Boy. So let's test it out, huh? Got a notepad right there. Other people have told me that it's better to use this with in conjunction with the nail filer like this, so you can have something to write on. So let's write my name. Let me focus on that. There you go. So you can write on it, you know, whatever you want. Cursive, you know, little boxes, you know. Has pretty much, you know, in a pinch where you need to sign something, you have a pen at all times with you. So I love this. Check it out. You close it. It's right there. Very compact. Put it on your keychain. On the go. Great little Swiss Army knife. So, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. You know, I'll be posting more videos more frequently. So hopefully you guys like this video. Thank you guys. Later.